I thought legacy was inherited.
Until I built my own.
Now I guard what I forged.
How much of your life belongs to your fear? I'm not part of the system. I'm the blaze that melts the cage where you locked your power. They told you masculinity was a flaw, that your inner fire had to be smothered with polite weakness until your own embers turned into toxic smoke inside your chest. That's why you detonate at the worst moment. That's why you carry guilt that isn't yours. That's why the echo of what you swallow still hunts you. You confuse stillness with mastery. That tie-polished silence is fear ironed flat. You call discipline the satin cage you built. True control vibrates like red-hot steel right before it strikes the anvil. That buzzing in your chest isn't anxiety. It's combustion begging for oxygen. You don't need calm. You need to incinerate the old to forge the new. Hardened fiber, tempered will, and an unblinking gaze. I am Valhalla. I didn't come to inspire you. I came to demolish everything, keeping you on your knees. This is Dynasty Codex. This is the blaze. Burn or fade. Report your spark below and subscribe for the next strike.